Let's take a life in which to hear and obey. Purify the reality of hearing, that I'm going to… we said Ramadan is not that you stay hungry, but I'm going to abstain from hearing bad. Every bad sound, every bad word, every bad show, every bad gossip, every negative energy that we consume through our ears lowers our ability. So then we vibrate low. So then when they talk we don't understand, when they talk we don't pick up the energy of it, and as a result we'll walk away. Because we want and we find, like food, we find our sustenance in low vibrations. Because how can you eat from something that you can't contain?